Joining breaking news now that the CBI Joint Director Pankaj Srivastava, who also was paid a visit by Mamata Banerjee's Kolkata police last evening after the drama broke out, has now left for Delhi. He was summoned by the Kolkata police, but he has left for Delhi now because remember the CBI would also want its officers from Kolkata who are in the know of the situation to come and give them a report as well. Let's go across to our political editor Aishwarya Kapoor now joining us for more on this. Aishwarya, last evening we spoke to Pankaj Srivastava and he talked about how, not only did the police arrive at his residence, his family members also faced harassment and they have been facing harassment for the last 2 years as far as this probe is concerned. Tell us more of what his Delhi visit could entail.
Well, absolutely. But at this point of time, simultaneously, he is saying that he cannot forget that how Kolkata police has been working against the CBI in the last 24 hours and specifically the attack at his residence, as he said yesterday, that his 13-year-old daughter and his wife were literally crying out of fear when around 30 to 40 Kolkata police officers were banging right outside his residence. Keeping that in mind, he has already left for the national capital. And those are the visuals on your screen, Shivani, while he enters the Kolkata airport. When he's being escorted by the special CBI, the security squad just keeping him safe till he enters the airport, keeping in mind that he's coming back to report back to his seniors back here in the CBI. Also keeping in mind that there is a new CBI chief who is in town today, who has taken charge. Thus, amid this is an important development when you have the CBI Joint Director who was summoned by the Kolkata police yesterday, who is now coming to Delhi. He has made it apparently very clear that he is not going to adhere by Kolkata police because he feels that the manner in which Kolkata police has been acting is not only biased, it's also anti-constitutional. It is against the law. It is against the law of the land of Kolkata. It is against the law of the land of the country. And that is why CBI Joint Director Pankaj Srivastava, who, by the way, is a senior official who says that his house was besieged late last night, Shivani, has left for the national capital. We are being told that his family is also coming in a different flight, but he is going to be at the CBI headquarters late tonight, where he's going to be meeting with the new CBI director and then the other senior officials tonight itself. So he's going to brief them tonight itself that what really transpired, and post that, CBI is going to re-strategize on how to go about things. But this is happening as we speak, and the visuals are on the screen, where the CBI Joint Director leaves Kolkata. He's coming to the
remember, tomorrow the plea of the CBI will also come up for hearing in the Supreme Court. And before that, obviously, the CBI top bosses will want to hear from Pankaj Srivastava in person of what went down last evening. Aishwarya, stay with us. Before I come back to you, let's also try and watch that sequence of him at the airport and leaving for Delhi.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir. एक question, sir.